Okay, so today's question is simple bank system. So, okay, I have already read the question. Okay, so I don't know why the question is marked as medium because this is very easy question. Okay, so let's first of all let's read the question. So the question says you have been tasked with writing a program of a popular bank that will automate all its incoming transactions like transfer, deposit, and withdraw. Okay, the bank has n accounts numbered from 1 to n. Okay, the initial balance of each account is stored in a zero-indexed integer array balance with the I plus 1th index, okay, account having an initial balance of balance I. Okay, so this is the question. Basically, we have given a vector, okay, a long vector named balance, okay, basically an array named balance in which the balance I, okay, balance I is the initial balance of I plus one account. Okay, so see the basically the array is zero index. That's why the first account will be the zeroth index of the balance, right? And similarly, the second will be the first index, and so on. Now, uh, let's move forward. So next, execute all the valid transactions. A transaction is valid if the given account numbers are between 1 to n. Okay, so the given account numbers should be between 1 to n. Okay, and the amount of money withdrawn or transferred from is less than equal to the balance of the account. Okay, so yeah, it should be validated. Like if an account is having, like for example, is if an account is having only $50 in it. So we can't withdraw more than $50 from the account, right? So we have to take care of this. Now we have to implement the bank class. Okay, so basically I think we have to write functions. Okay, all the functions. So the bank balance, this the class, this one. This will initialize an object with zero index integer array balance. Okay, and boolean transfer, this function, what this function will do, it will transfer money dollars from the account number account 1 to the account numbered account 2. Okay, and we have to return true if the transaction was successful and false otherwise. Simply the second function, we have to basically deposit the money, okay, money dollars into the account, okay, account named account, basically indexed. This is the index given, okay. And similarly we have the third function named withdraw, in which we have to withdraw this amount of money, or money amount of money from the account. Okay, okay, so let's do this question. So first of all, I will make a global vector, okay, so that we can access this balance factor in all the functions. That's why. So it will be vector long, okay, and let's name this as v, and here we will write v equals to balance. Okay, now, okay, uh, yeah. Also we can define an integer n, which will define the number of accounts. Okay, so here what will be the n? N will be simply vector dot size, right? Okay, number of accounts, right? Okay, so see, first of all we have to write a function in which uh, the function, what the function should do, it should do the following. It should transfer the money from account 1 to account 2. Okay, so first of all we have to validate that whether the account 1 and account 2 are the valid accounts or not. Okay, so we will simply write that if account account 1, okay, if account 1, if it is less than 1, see if it is less than 1, what it means, it means that the account number 1 is not valid, right? So if it is less than 1, or it is, what is it, it is greater than n, right? So it is account it is greater than n, it's not valid, right? Similarly for account 2 is less than 1, or account 2 greater than 1, greater than n, then we have to return false, right? And another thing, if the amount money is greater than the amount in account 1, then also we should return false, right? So we'll write if v of account, okay, let's like, yeah, so v of account, now see, here we will write v of account 1 minus 1. Why minus 1? Because our in array is 0 index, right? So account 1 means, basically, if the account 1 was, let's suppose, 2, so we have to iterate, we have to see the 1th index, right? First index of the balance if the account 1 was 2. Similarly, okay, simply. Okay. So v of account minus 1, if this is less than money, then in all these cases, okay, in all these cases, you have to return false. Okay. Okay. Now we have already taken care of the verification of account 1 and account 2, and also the money, if it is greater or equals to, if it is not greater than the account money in the account 1. Okay. Now we will do the following: we will transfer the money from account 1 to account 2, right? So we'll write vector of account 1 minus 1 should be what? Should be minus equals to money, right? And v of account 2 should be what? Should be, if spelling mistake or not? Yeah, no. Okay. Money. All right. So this is the first function. Now we have to deposit. So first of all, we check for this account. If the account is greater than 1, sorry, if it is less than 1 or greater than n, then what we'll do? We will return false. Okay. So also I forgot to do one thing. We have to return true as well in the function. Okay. If the following task has done, then now we will deposit. Okay. So v of account minus 1, minus 2, not minus 1, plus equals to money. Okay. And we will return true. Okay. Okay, so in this, we'll validate this account and this money because we have to withdraw, right? So in case of withdraw and transfer both, we have to check that the money, this given money, is less than the money present in this account or not, right? So first of all, we will verify the index. So account is less than 1, or account, if it is greater than n, or this money, so v of account minus 1, okay, I know, is less than money, then you have to return false, right? Okay, and we have to withdraw the money. So v of account minus 1 equals to money. Okay, right? Not plus equals to, it will be minus equals to, because we have to withdraw, not deposit, right? And we will return true in the end. Okay, so this is our code. Let's check it in this. Okay, I don't know why it is marked as medium, because you guys can see it's very easy question. Okay, and yeah, and acceptance rate is, I think this is like this acceptance rate is good, 65.5%. But this is bad for this type of question, because it is very easy question. Okay, let's see if there is any syntax error or anything. Okay. Account. Uh, okay. Identify account. Okay, this is account. Okay, so here we write account 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, so accepted. Okay, see, done. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys.